how to perform the McKinsey press-up exercise at home. So if you have back pain or pain that's in your back and then going down your leg, this is a great exercise. So what you want to do to start is laying face down on a table or on the floor. Then you want to place your hands directly underneath your shoulders, and then you want to press your upper body up while keeping your pelvis on the table as best as you can. And then you go down. We're going to do an intermittent pressure here, so keep going up and then going down. So you want to repeatedly perform this at about this pace here. And some cues that really help get this nice sag and this nice extension in the low back are to go up, relax the legs as best as you can. When you get to the top, once you've extended your elbows all the way, you want to exhale completely. So Ben, I'm going to have you come all the way up, and now exhale and let that sag, and then go down. Some things to keep in mind: you may have increased pain or pressure sensation in your low back. However, the important thing is to ensure that you don't have any increased pain going down your leg. So if you have pain in the back, that's okay. But if you have pain that extends further and further down your leg as you perform this exercise, then stop this exercise and contact your primary care or your physician, whoever that may be.